Hi.
This is Eva. After she's been heavily medicated here, she can hardly hold her head open.
What's the alien? Is your head right?
One of them for another patient.
Head. Earring.
She's saying head. You're asking about her head.
My earring. Earring? Earring? Are you looking at these funny boots? They're funny, huh? Funny boots. Look at your little yellow socks. Look at your little yellow socks. I love you. I love you.
There's no medication here, you guys, as you can tell.
No, she's still. Still gone. Hi.
Yes, I am. Stop it. Tell him.